A very pleasant morning to respected judges, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Sidra Fatma from Class 10B from Tagore House. Before I begin, think about something real. In many places of India, people walk kilometers just to get few liters of water. This is real life. Water is not just a resource, it is life itself. So today, through my presentation, Save Water, Save Life, let's understand why every drop matters. Water is very important for all living organisms. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. But these are salty waters. Only a small portion is usable for fresh water. Importance of water. Water creates ripple effect in our life. We need it for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. And it is also essential for agriculture and industries. Supports ecosystem and biodiversity. Water availability. 97% of the water is salty, but 3% of the water is for human use and less than 1% is for our drinking, cleaning, etc. Here are some water crises. Increasing demand due to population growth, unequal distribution of water, many regions facing scarcity. Causes of water scarcity. Causes of water, overuse of water, pollution of water bodies, climate change, deforestation. This makes water unsafe and unclean. Effects of water scarcity. Lack of drinking water, poor sanitation, health issues, and it is also impact on agriculture because of the unsafe and unclean water. Water pollution. Under industrial waste, plastic and garbage, sewage disposal, harmful chemicals, this may causes unsafe water, unclean water, and this may also causes water pollution. Impact on environment. Drying rivers and lakes, harm to aquatic life, and there is a huge loss of biodiversity. Impact on humans. Diseases due to unsafe water, there is a food shortage and there is a huge economic problem. Water conservation. We should use water carefully, avoid wastage and protect water resources. This may help our future generations. Simple ways to save water. We should turn off taps when not in use, fix leaks, use bucket instead of shower. By these methods, we can also save water. Save water at home. Reuse water for plants, use water efficient appliances, wash vehicles with buckets. By these methods, we can also save water in our daily routine. Save water at school. Close taps properly. If we found a leak, we have to report, spread awareness. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater for reuse, reduce dependency on groundwater. These are the some methods of eco-friendly. Here is some roles of government. Water conservation policies, building dams and reservoirs, promoting awareness campaign. These are the some ways by which government also tries to save water. Role of society. Community participation, awareness program, sustainable practices. By these, we can also save water in our society. Sustainable water use. Use water wisely and we have to protect natural resources and we must think about future generations. Save water, save life. Every drop counts. No water, no future. We have to save water because no water, no future. And we have to use water carefully because every drop counts. Water is precious and limited. Everyone must contribute to save it. Act today for a better tomorrow. Water is life and every drop is precious. Let us promise today to save water, protect nature and secure the future for the next generation. Save water, save life. Every drop counts. Thank you for your kind attention.